lovely people. I know a few of you have been requesting me to do a beauty room tour, and I thought, why not? So we thought of dedicating one room for my makeup, my filming, and everything, and it could also serve as a guest room. So I'll be taking you around to show my makeup room today, which I have put a lot of love and effort in building up from scratch. So I'll show you everything, the furniture as well as the storage units and everything, and how I put everything together. So let's get into the video. So I got this acrylic drawers from IKEA. They're so handy. So got all these little compartments where you can store your P-Lewis paints or any other cosmetics really. So I use this little compartments to actually store all my paints. These little ones. Let me show you how I do it. So these are all my paints, and in this one I've got all my glitters as well as eye bases and everything. And then this one is for all my foundations. As you can see, all the foundations are lined up there. And then still at the back you have a little bit of storage. So I have placed my cotton buds, my ISO clean cleaners, and little bits and bobs there. And then this part, I have so many pigments, I don't know where to place them. So I actually keep my other P-Lewis pigments over here. It came in this little cute packaging and I've kept it like that. And then these are all my peaches and cream pigments as well as water activated liners. So I keep them in this acrylic container. Let me remove my little ring light. So I have got a little fan, as you can see here. So in the summer months it becomes very warm, and then if you want to have a little fan near your face, you can use that. Also you can see that there's other forms of storage. So this is another acrylic drawer that I have, and in here you can see that I have got my complexion products mainly. So I've got my Touch Up primer, my contour, my highlight, my primers really. And then in the other drawer over here, I have got all my liners, eyeliners, and all my eye products really are in there. So it's a very handy storage. I keep my compact there. Alright, and then you can see I've got this nice little ring light which I use, and this is also a dressing light, like a little table light actually, and it can open up. So you can open up and you've got lights on there as well. And then is this little brush holder that I bought. So all my brushes are actually neatly tucked off. So I've got my blending brushes on one side, my small detailer brushes, my flat brushes, as well as my face brushes and little bits and bobs. Like you can see a pen, some eyebrow products, some lippies. So that's really about it. And then I've also got a little phone stand. So if I'm doing any live sessions or anything, I use this phone holder or phone stand. I'll link everything in the description box. And I got this lovely flowers from IKEA, and I thought it would be a lovely touch to actually put up these flowers here. Then as you can see, I have got this mirror, which was actually a bathroom mirror, but I got it installed over here. And then you've got the Hollywood lights with the panels actually, which again I bought from IKEA. These are some artificial flowers. So I bought the panels, and then I planted the artificial flowers myself inside over there. And then here you can see that on the top rack I've got a used beauty box which I've used over there, kept it over there. And then this is the lac shelf, and you can display your items. So I've got my contact lenses, some of my perfumes, and now I'm going to show you what is there in each rack. So I've got all my lippies in here, as you guys can see. The lac shelves can be fitted with lights as well. And then all my skincare stuff, like my daily skincare stuff, is in here. So these are my Pixie goodies, as you can see. So all my masks and everything, and this is also a very nice holder where you can place your lippies. So I've got that. I have actually got this eyeshadow shelf. So again, I've got a little eyeshadow holder, and then all my bigger palettes are tucked in there. And then I've got a little vanity case, so a little vanity box where I have got my essentials, and then this Be Perfect makeup bag where I store stuff as well. My hair extensions are there. So below my dressing table there are shelves where I've stored some extra bits. So my below drawer has got all my face wipes, a little bit of lippies and stuff. So it's basically mainly a storage drawer. So that's one drawer. The second drawer has also got excess products like which I'm going to be using later up. So my lip glosses and stuff in there. So that's that. The top shelf has got most of my base cosmetic products in a bag. Then I've got this built-in wardrobe where there are lovely lights. And then all my lashes and everything are stored in here. Let me give you a little peek of it. So as you can see, all my lashes are in here. And all my earrings are stacked in as well. Small jewelry. If I bring it out a bit more, you'll see jewelry at the back as well. My watches, and then some more lashes over onto the side. So this is very handy, and obviously like I've got clothes now, but the lights really help to see what do you want to pick up when. So this is my backdrop really. Obviously the ring light doesn't stay there, it comes forward. So when I sit there, I can use this as a backdrop, or I can turn around and I can turn the other way around and sit, and I can use this as a backdrop. And that, my friends, is my beautiful but little makeup room. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and see you guys very soon. Bye!